the wine menu.
You get to watch that away from Chops.
We do. Hi everybody, here we are at Chops Grille on Vision of the Seas. Decided to give it a try again. I did hear that it's better on the smaller ships. Leaving Cozumel today. Here's the menu. Got our fresh bread and butter.
I know what you got.
So we have the onion loaf with the mustard butter right up Terry's alley. That's really good, Terry. So I got the bacon, Jeff got the crab cake. Both were amazing. The crab cake that he had, I had on Oasis, and it was way better than that. And the bacon is absolutely delicious. So Terry, what were your thoughts on the first round here, lobster and bacon?
Excellent so far.
Mom?
Oh, yes.
Crab cake and you had the goat cheese salad?
Yes.
Very good.
You? 58, 59. No, I'm kidding.
Okay.
Look at that.
Right here you have some squids.
Is the lobster good?
Very good.
These shrimp are just huge. We're going to take a moment of silence
You drink coffee?
for this seafood tower.
What do you drink in the morning?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Amazing.
That looks beautiful. Thank you.
How is it?
Can we get some pepper?
Right away, I'll be back with everything.
Oh, good. I need salt.
She's having a moment. Let her have a moment.
She's at the wrong
All
table.
right, Terry.
You take a picture of this so I can start eating.
Very good.
All the sides.
Look at that. Holy smokes.
How's your steak?
Melt in your mouth.
All of our sauces here. This filet is unreal. It's very tender, juicy, great flavor. I stand corrected. Try a recap, Mom. The lamb, delicious. Terry, the ribeye.
Delicious.
Jeff, the ribeye.
Amazing. Haley?
The filet was okay. No, I'm kidding. It was good. Oh boy, oh boy.
That's a must try.
Wow.
Oh, look at how pretty.
Well, I need to tell you one thing. I gotta tell you something. This, I always thought the buffet, I always gave them an 8. Okay?
I got a what?
You got a 9.
Only 9?
No,
Still I'm missing one.
right here. I get the number 10 right there. But you did a great job. I want you to know.